Hi there, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Eileen and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am joining a group collaboration with these talented ladies hosted by Michelle from Michelle's Cozy Home. We are making inspirational words or quotes on our decor. I incorporate mine with fall theme. So don't forget to visit their channel and I will put the playlist on the description box below. Check it out after you finish my video. Let's get started. For our first DIY, I grabbed this board from Dollar Tree. It's on the Halloween section and I also have this sparkling. I fill up the hole and after this I painted the board using the white chalk paint. And after that I just let it dry in between coats. Once it is dry, I use my level and pencil to draw some lines. I also painted the lines using my black acrylic paint. And I made the line blur using my white chalk paint. I just dry brush it on top and after this one, I distress my board using the burnt umber acrylic paint. I just used the dry brush technique. I dab off the excess paint on the paper towel and distress the board. I also added King's Gold acrylic paint by Apple Barrel. I will put the word when you can find the sunshine, be the sunshine. That's why I choose this color. You can put any inspirational words or quotes that you like and you can also change the color. This is only an inspiration project, so do whatever makes you happy. And after dry brushing it, I use my machine to make the word or the quote that I choose. And if you don't have a machine, you can use stickers or watch my second DIY. I did not use any machine. At first, I put this adhesive hooks that I've got from Dollar Tree, but it doesn't look so cool. So at the end, I remove it so you can ignore this part. And I also use these dowels that I've got from Dollar Tree. I painted it using the King's Gold. I want to project the word sunshine, that's why I added this. And I cut the dowel into half and I also used the whole dowel. I cut it or I just hot glue it at the back of my board, and to make the back of my board more cleaner, I cut foam board and just hot glue it at the back, and the back of the board looks great. I also made a simple bow using this buffalo check and the sunflower ribbon that I've got from Dollar Tree. I just tie it using the twine, and to add more texture I made a raffia bow. I added it on the ribbons. And after this one, I changed the hooks that I'm saying a while ago. I used this maple leaves that I've got from Joann's. It's $2.99 and it was 50% off. And I just cut it using my wire cutter. I also used this hook that I've got from Dollar Tree. I painted it using my black acrylic paint to be uniform with the sign. And after that, I distressed the maple leaves using my burnt umber acrylic paint. And after you're done with the sign, you just need to add twine at the back so that you can hang it and you can use it as a key holder, or you can also use it to hold your mask. And tada, you have this beautiful sign. So when you can't find the sunshine, be the sunshine. Even those rainy days when you think there is nothing to do, find those positive thoughts and go dance in the rain. Yeah, so let's proceed to DIY number two. Oh, but before that, I have this solar fence light by Jackie LED. It's very easy to install, and you will have this warm white light. Plus, you will get this multicolor light on your fence. It's really nice. And they provided 20% off if you will buy on their site. I will put the information on the description box below. So if you want to check it out, just click the link on the description box and you will use the promo code HARTS for the 20% off. And yeah, let's proceed to second DIY. You need this pizza pan, the stickers, and I painted the pizza pan using my white chalk paint. This project is so easy, and I use my hair dryer so that I'm not gonna wait for too long. So if you have hair dryer, use that. I just give it two coats plus touch up white chalk paint on the pizza pan, and once it is dry it looks like this. I grab the sticker that I've got from Dollar Tree. I remove the greenery around it because I want the sign to incorporate it with the fall theme. I lay it out on the pizza pan, and I also mark where will I put it because I will apply Mod Podge on the pizza pan first so that the sticker look like belongs to the pizza pan. And I just apply the Mod Podge, and after that I put the sign. And after putting the sign, I apply another Mod Podge on top of the sticker. Make sure to just put thin amount of Mod Podge and let it cure for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm using this clear Mod Podge. This is also from Dollar Tree. And to apply it, I use the paintbrush. But I made sure that I wash my paintbrush after applying the Mod Podge so that it will not be hardened and I can still use it on my next DIY. And while the Mod Podge is drying, I grab my black acrylic paint. I painted around the pizza pan, and this black acrylic paint made your sign to the next level. And it doesn't look like a pizza pan after painting it with the black acrylic paint. And I also grabbed this brown maple stem from Joann's. It was 50% off. I just cut it using my wire cutter, and I just hot glue it on the sign. I also added a small twine bow and some orange berries from Dollar Tree. I just hot glue it, and you're done with the second DIY. Then, tada! Here is our second DIY. Do not worry about anything, instead, pray about everything. Yeah, prayer still works, so don't forget to pray. For our third DIY, I will be using this board, and This is scrapbook paper that I've got from Hobby Lobby. It was $1 for 4 pieces, and I traced the board at the back of the scrap paper and I just cut it. I also attached the paper using my glue, and after attaching it, I used my burnt umber to distress the board to make it more rustic. To make it more realistic, I used the sandpaper to sand it down. I sand the side of the board. And I also used these stickers from Dollar Tree. I wrote the word fall for Jesus. He never leaves. It's really cute and you're gonna use this for your fall decor. I'm so in love with this sign. It's so good. And yeah, I just lay out all my stickers. Once I'm sure where to put it, I press them down. And after pressing all the stickers, again I use the clear Mod Podge to seal the letters and to make our board more realistic. Yeah, I use the word realistic a lot, I guess. And yeah, I just Mod Podge it, and then after that, I added these leaves that I've got from Joann's. It's $3.99 and it was 50% off. I also made a simple bow using my buffalo check. I added it on the leaves. I want to make this as simple as I can, and I really love how it turned out. I just I just wrap the leaves and the ribbon with the twine, and I also use I cut a little bit of the buffalo check ribbon and wrap it around with the bow and the leaves, and I just hot glue it on the sign. Then after hot gluing it, I grab these what do you call this, burlap, and I cut it into size and hot glue it at the bottom part. I just use hot glue and it works great. I also added the Spanish moss in the burlap, and I want to put some maple leaves, but I cannot find a small maple leaves, so I have this IV. I think I've got this from Dollar Tree and it was out during spring or summer. And I painted it using the sunset, golden sunset, the harvest orange. I gave it 2 coats, and once it is dry, I distress the leaves using the burnt umber. And I also have the small pumpkin. I just arrange it in the burlap and you're done with this project. You can add twine at the back so that you can hang it. Then we are done with our third DIY. And guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a big thumbs up and please don't forget to visit our playlist. I will put it on the description box below. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It will help my channel to grow more. Yeah, so see you on my next DIY, guys. Bye bye, take care, and God bless you all. Love you. Mwah.